Okay. I roll?
Yeah. I guess it doesn't matter because I forgot. Herald can just
Reverse.
negate Ilka.
No Herald. No Herald with perfection. No Herald with perfection. How do I get rid of him?
You don't.
You win the gyro.
Or reverse.
I mean, it didn't matter.
Draw for turn. Excuse me? What'd you say?
Address.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
Okay, well. You have an ulti login in here? No, I don't. Oh, yeah. It's Will's. Oh, okay. I knew I saw it.
What's he do? I get to add to hand a ritual spell or the ritual spell card or the monster. I'm gonna have the spell card. Well, a spell card.
I do want another.
Advance ritual art. Activate. I dump the vanilla monsters from. Okay. Just dump one, so he's level 6.
You got it.
Set 1. Go ahead. That's fine.
Mind control?
Is it really 15? Yep.
Okay.
Summon?
Okay.
No.
Yeah.
Because you stopped using your DVC. No, I don't know if I
Alright.
Okay, Black Rose. So,
Go ahead.
I'll value Black Rose a bit.
I'll start.
Sure.
So you gain 1,000.
Oh, yeah.
Draw one. Yeah, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Okay. Draw. Corporations of Rights. I add to hand a ritual monster, and then I can add to hand a spell from grave.
On that, Valor him.
I'll negate.
You can negate Valor.
Yeah.
With him.
He negates monster effects.
Negates anything.
I just wasted a Valor. Compulse?
Negate.
We didn't waste it, you forced it to negate. Yeah. So,
Go ahead.
So, okay. If I take Wessel out and put in Shining, and you don't want to put the second up 0, right?
Go ahead.
Good.
So,
See, that's the thing about this deck. You don't have to do anything. Because I don't have to do anything either. You're at 9,000 on my 8,000.
Go ahead.
Okay, go ahead. Good golly.
What are you going to Super Poly?
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Super Poly.
Set.
That for,
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Normal?
Okay.
Special?
Okay. Okay.
3.
Okay.
Acid Gold?
I'll go care. Effective.
On the gate. It dies. Yeah, it negates and destroys.
But no one's gonna start blocking.
Go ahead. I'll negate.
I don't really want
Go ahead.
I'll start. Sure. You gain 1,000. Draw 1. Go ahead.
It's just that the hieratic stuff. But the main things, this is the name of the I have one ready.
Negate.
Go ahead.
Where is this, man?
Yeah.
I'll Veiler him. I'll Veiler him.
I'll negate. What do you have, man? What do you have? You can't just be veiling for nothing. It's not back row. Got one back row. On the gate. So I draw 1?
Yeah.
Activate?
What's that do?
I get to add hand 2 vanilla ones.
I want to get both of those if possible.
Go ahead.
Might be.
This one?
Yeah.
Fine.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
What's life?
I'm at 6,000 to his 1,100.
So if I do a Giga Nexus, we can go.
Summon wind up right. Okay.
Go ahead. What kind of deck is this? Control deck.
All Dark Factory. So I had to hand it to him. Go ahead.
It's there somewhere.
I know, right? I mean, like, where is it?
Go ahead. At first I was like, why'd you not activate that? Now I get it.
Yeah, he Night Beam.
I mean, if
Wow.
So
I
set
thought
now.
I was gonna say like, why didn't you chain? I was like, oh, okay, that's fine.
no way to get.
I didn't realize it was that game.
No, those are.
I can keep that in hand. Go ahead.
Wonder back.
That's fine.
What's up with you at?
I'm at 3050.
That's 11.
Got rid of that one thing that could kill me.
Go ahead.
Oh my goodness. Go ahead. Come on, where is this, man? This one? That's fine.
Go ahead.
Oh my god. Go ahead. That's gonna be crazy when it goes off.
Go ahead. I don't know, man. There we go.
Pod duality?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Final countdown? Activate? Pay 2,000. I'm at 1,050. Okay?
Yeah. 20 turns, right?
Yeah, starting now. So, turn 1. Go ahead. Turn 2.
You got
Turn
Power
3.
9 minutes into the game.
Oh.
And
You don't have access.
Go ahead. Turn 4.
go ahead.
Turn 5. Go ahead. Turn 6.
Torrential?
On the gate.